Whoever is born in this world has to die one day or the other. Now whatever that creature is. But science proves that there are some creatures in the world that never die. They die only when another animal or disease kills them. In today's video, you will learn about those creatures. So let's start today's video without any delay. Number 5. Hydra. Hydra is a marine organism. It was first discovered in the 19th century, but at that time, the technology was not as advanced as today, due to which its merit could not be as certain at that time. But after a few years of discovery, when scientists did some experiment on this, it came to know that Hydra never gets old. You probably won't believe it, but it's true that Hydra is always alive. It can die only in two ways. First, if he has disease, he will die. Second, it will die only when another marine animals eat it. Moreover, it doesn't die of natural way. Actually, its body part die naturally and become reproduced. For example, if the remote cells is replaced, the remote start working again. In the same way, the body parts of Hydra are also developed automatically. Number 4. Glass sponge. Many of you may have seen the SpongeBob cartoon. Many people think that such a creature is not in the world. These cartoons are only based on imagination. But let us tell you that the idea of SpongeBob cartoon is derived from these glass sponge creatures. The scientific name of this glass sponge is Hex actinelide, and it is the slowest growing organism in the world. It grows less than 1 mm per day. They are so slow that millions of animals are born and die in such a long time. Scientists also found a living glass sponge that was 1550 years old, and this is not a limit. The speed with which he grows, at that speed it can grow for 15,000 years. Number 3. Tardigrade. These creatures you seeing on the screen are called tardigrade or waterbear. These creatures are quite creepy and extraordinary to see, but these waterbears can also survive in such a condition in which no organism of the world will be able to survive even for a second. These tiny creatures are just 1 mm larger, and they still very slowly. Tardigrade can also survive comfortably at freezing temperature of -272 degrees Celsius and melting temperature of 150 degrees Celsius. In addition, they can live up to 10 years without the intake of water and food, and also radioactive radiation has no effect on them. In 2007, an experiment was carried out on tardigrades, in which all of them were sent to space by placing them in a spaceship, and when that spaceship came back a few days later, the result which come out shocked everyone. Actually, these creatures came back alive, and they can also live in the sun's radiation and vacuum. That's really amazing. Number 2. Flatworms. Flatworms are a group of marine animals found in fresh water. They were discovered in year 1878, but when they were examined, its merits shocked everyone. These are quite strange to see, but it has amazing regeneration ability. If you cut this creature in two pieces, then instead of dying, it will become two animals in both parts. There is no limit to his rise, and not only by cutting, but with age, they develop their dead cells. They also die only due to illness or being eaten by someone other animal. Before going to fact number 1, if you already subscribed to our channel, then thank you very much. And if you have not done so, subscribe to the channel now and also press the nearby bell icon so that you get information on each of our videos first. Fact number 1. Immortal jellyfish. The jellyfish you are seeing is called Turritopsis dowrini or Turritopsis nutricula, or normally immortal jellyfish. When the jellyfish are born, they also grow normally like other animals, but as soon as they reach mature age, they bring their body back to birth condition. In other words, they grow old and become child again, so they live forever. Scientifically, this process is called cellular memory, and they also know their real age. According to biologists, she does this from time to time, and by doing this, she lives a new life every time. And this process goes on forever and it never dies. If this jellyfish is immortal, then why does the whole sea is not filled with it? Means old does not die and new ones continues to be born. Then this should be seen everywhere in the sea. But why does it not happen? Because these jellyfish are a very good source of nutrition. So other sea creatures see their food in it, and those creatures kill and eat the jellyfish. If the video looks good, then like the video and comment below for the most interesting fact and your suggestion of the video. One more thing, definitely share the video with your friends. Meet in another new video. Till then, bye bye.